Hi friends, I needed to run some errands today, so I stopped by my favorite store, Louis Vuitton. So let me share with you what I got. So I got a notification earlier in the week that a bag that I ordered almost 2 months ago has finally arrived. So I went to go pick up that bag, as well as one of my fragrances was empty, so I went to go refill that. So in the smaller bag, it was just the fragrance that I went to get refilled, and it is Afternoon Swim. And in case you were wondering, it is actually only $260 to refill the fragrance. And these bottles full, if you were to buy them brand new, sell for about $410, I want to say, after tax. So it's about half price, which is pretty good deal, I think, in my opinion. And these bottles are super cute. They have a magnetic top with the Louis Vuitton logo. And my sales associate did throw in a sample for Meteor. Definitely going to try that one out. Before we continue with today's video, hi friends, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And if you're liking this video or want to see more of me, definitely consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. And now for the big bag. So this one I ordered 2 months ago, as I did mention. It is from drop 1 of the Louis Vuitton and Murakami collab. So this bag has been said to have been sold out. However, Louis Vuitton has been doing a lot of secret drops with the Murakami launches. Even the drop 2, they've been doing some secret launches in April. So my client advisor reached out to me in March asking if there was any other last minute Murakami drop 1 pieces that I want. And this was one of them. So I placed an order and it took about 2 months to arrive. So let's open it up together. So this is the box that it came in. Any guesses as to what it is? Obviously we didn't get any packaging. I have no hopes for any of the packaging to come. I did reach out to some client advisors to see if they would be able to get me some for any of the drops, or even the third drop if I can get some of the packaging, but we're not holding our breath for that. But at least we got the bag. So let's go ahead and open it up. And the bag that I got was, any guesses? So the bag is the multicolor pochette accessoire in white. Here's what the bag looks like up close. So here is the front of the bag. So it's going to be the same as the black multicolor one that I unboxed on my channel earlier on in the year. But I needed to get the white one because I absolutely love how vibrant these colors are. So it does come with a vachetta trim as well as the same studs. And it does come with the gold chain strap, as well as it does come with a leather strap as well, but you guys know how I feel about these. And then inside the bag, it does come with a microfiber lining, and then you do have the anniversary stamp there. And then on the other side, you do have a slip pocket, as well as there is the tag. So here is the product code if you're interested. And here's what the white multicolor pochette accessoire looks up against the black one. Honestly, I have no idea which one's going to be my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.